Figure out what's going on here. Joining me tonight, Christa Ramey, trial attorney in Los Angeles, in Atlanta, Georgia, criminal defense attorney, former federal prosecutor Michael Sterling, and in Irvine, California, former federal prosecutor, criminal defense attorney, and civil attorney Andrew Cherkasky. Great to have all three of you with me tonight. Michael, you're in Atlanta. Let me start with you. We heard from the DA yesterday. We heard from the defense today. But one big issue still outstanding. At his press conference, the DA was showing that still photo of Officer Rolfe, what he says, kicking Rayshard Brooks on the ground after shooting him. Meanwhile, you've got the officers and their team saying, release the video, release the video. They're saying it didn't happen. How big of a part of the case is that moment after the shooting?
I think it's a really big deal, Vinny. I think certainly it demonstrates that after he had shot him and he goes and kicks him, it demonstrates some form of malice potentially. I think it's a really big deal. But I think that the DA has the right and the discretion to utilize the evidence and preserve what he needs for court. Obviously, the defense attorneys are going to have that at the appropriate time. They'll be entitled to that through discovery. But I think it's a very big deal. The kick would, in my opinion, it would demonstrate some malice following what was a deadly shooting.
Christa, everyone's talking about the kick. You know, I go on social media, people are talking about the kick. People that are angry are talking about the kick. But he has not released the video, and the defense said the kick didn't happen. But we've got this still frame, this still photo from the DA from his press conference.
Looks like a kick. I mean, it looks like a kick. But I feel like the DA put forth a lot of evidence.
Should he release the video?
Yeah,
Christa,
why not?
let me ask you something. We always hear, and in all these cases, all these police shootings, everyone says, release the videos, release the videos. Usually, it's the victim of the shooting that wants to see the video. Here, the ones accused want to see the video. Should it play both ways?
I think it should, Vinny. And one of the problems that I have with this is the amount of evidence that the prosecutor put forward in the press conference yesterday. Why is this being held back is what I want to know. So put it forward. Let us see what's in the video fully. It looks like a kick. So if it is what you say it is, let us see what it is. Or was he leaping over him? I don't know. It looks like a kick to me there. So I think that we need to see it. I think that if the police officers are demanding it to be shown, they're going to get it soon enough. As soon as they get it, they're going to release it themselves. Put it out there now. If it is what you say it is, put it out there now. We're going to see it later anyway.
Andrew Cherkasky, I know it's all ultimately about what's going to happen inside a courtroom, but I think we're in a different place right now in this country, aren't we? I mean, there is a call for transparency. Does transparency go both ways?